Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today's unboxing is a special one. It is from Gourmet Ramen Club, and this is the Ramen Raider Spicy Pack. I worked with them, and we got together a bunch of the spiciest instant noodles from my top 10 spicy list, and got a box. It's priority mailed to you, nice and fast. It's 25 bucks, and you get a ton of noodles. And usually what you would have to do is buy 4 packs of a lot of these, go to a bunch of different stores, hunt around, and you'd spend a bunch of cash. 25 bucks for this is really not that bad, considering that's including shipping. So why don't we crack it open and I'll go through these one by one with you. So what we got here today? We've got give this to a friend who needs nudes. This is a little bit of info about Gourmet Ramen Club. This is all about the spicy pack, and it gives ideas on different things, different garnishes you can include to make the noodles that are within this big old pouch even better. You can put anything with them, but these are things that I recommend. Well, let's take this out. Fancy. I'm just gonna pull them out one by one and give you what I think about each one. All right, so the first one here we have Paldo Kokomen. It's it's basically like a chicken jalapeno variety from South Korea. It's spicy and it's really tasty. All right, now we got a purple pack from China. This is Chongqing Noodles hot and sour flavor, and the company that makes this is called Szechuan Baija. So you have a strong hot and sour flavor with this sucker, believe you me. It means business, and it's pretty tasty stuff. So the noodles are a little extra broad on this one. You might not be used to seeing noodles like this, so this is gonna be a little bit exotic for you, and I think you're gonna like it. Next out of the bag, we have Samyang Foods Ubiquitous 2X Spicy Bulldog Bokomyun. This is the Ultra Nuclear Fire Noodle Challenge noodle, and this is currently the spiciest instant noodle of the world, according to my top 10 spiciest instant noodles of all time 2017 edition. And it's tasty. It'll do you right. Next, we've got another South Korean variety. This is Jin Ramen Spicy by Otogi, and this is a classic spicy ramen. It's good. The noodles, I really like Otogi's noodles. They've got kind of a 2-layer thing going on. The outer layer is kind of really soft, and the inner has more chew to it. It has a nice, robust, spicy taste to it. I think you'll like it, and it's a soup. Next we have Samyang Foods Mala, and Mala is numbing spicy. It has Szechuan pepper in it, a nice heat to it from a regular pepper source, and then you've got the Szechuan pepper numbing, buzzing, kinda like licking a 9-volt battery kind of thing going on. It's a good one. Alright, now we have the original Samyang Foods Bulldog Bokomyun. It will knock your socks off. So does the 2X, so does the 1X. I mean, and that's what this is, 1X spicy. This is 4,404 Scoville heat units. This is plenty hot. Alright, this is Indomie mee goreng hot and spicy. If you hear the name Indomie and you don't know what that is, you're in for a treat. Just like it shows on the package, heed that. Put a nice sunny side up egg on top of it and let the yolk go all over. Oh man, this is like the breakfast of kings. I used to have this for breakfast all the time before I really got gung-ho on the Ramen Raider site. Oh yeah, this one is really good, so yeah, I think you'll be pleased. And finally, we have Paldo with their Tumse Ramen. Tumse Ramen is named after a restaurant chain in South Korea called Tumse. This stuff is mean, folks, and it means business. You know, it's been a little while since I've done a spicy noodle mukbang with this, and I think I ought to do it. If you like it hot, this will do you right. Alright, so to recap, you get Paldo Tumse Ramen, a spicy pack of Indomie, original Bulldog Bokomyun, Mala Bulldog Bokomyun, twice as spicy as original Bulldog Bokomyun, also known as Nuclear Bulldog Bokomyun, Otogi's Jin Ramen, spicy hot and sour noodles from China, and last but not least, get in there! Wow! A pack of Kokomen from South Korea. You also get a little card for your friends and cards a little bit about me and my suggestions for garnishes for these noodles. You get a box like this, it's 25 bucks. Go check out gourmetramenclub.com, and if you want a little incentive, you can use this coupon code and get a little extra off. Here you go. You ready? There you go. I think you're gonna like it. All right, I'm pretty proud of this. Thanks to Gourmet Ramen Club for sending this along so I could show you guys again. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.